Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to turn off Microsoft Defender in Windows 11. First, let's start by learning what is Microsoft Defender and why it is necessary in your device. It is a program given by Microsoft for the security of the device. It protects your device from various viruses and threats. At the same time, it also stops us from downloading any third-party applications or software. So let's start. First, you need to go to the Start button on your taskbar. Go to the Settings. Go to the Privacy and Security option. Then go to the Windows Security. After pressing on that, you will see the first option, that is virus and threat protection. After clicking on it, you can see an option here of virus and threat protection setting. Press on manage settings. You will see a real-time protection which is on by default. Press on it and press yes. So now as you can see, it is off. Please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.